Hello, I'm Sudarshan Nayak. Again, I present here to teach about physics. Next things is that after getting the energy of sunlight on the earth is equal to 2.2625. So it may be approximate equal to, we can say that is 2.26, just 2.26 electron volt. This is the energy we get on the sunlight when it enters the atmosphere of the earth. You know, why do we get the vitamin D in the morning season? Why do not get in after morning, that is noon or evening? Why? What is the reason behind it? Only morning season we get the vitamin D. So viewers, just go through it. First we clean this one, then we go ahead. So you know that vitamin D is very essential for human body. So it is strong, make strong our bones or body structure. Okay, so let me clean this one and thereafter I will go ahead. So look this one. Suppose sun is far away from the earth. It is 150 million kilometer from away from earth. So the radiation of the light or radiation energy of the sun, so as a form of electromagnetic wave, or you may say that electromagnetic wave radiation. So here is sun and its radiation is that. This is called earth. But there is so many part is vacuum. This is called vacuum. Even though the light travel through the vacuum, because its speed is so fast, very fast, that is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. That is 3 lakh kilometer per second. When the object or anything, you may say that it is the fastest element or thing in our universe, not more than 3 lakh kilometer per second any other things. So light is only one thing, that its speed is 3 lakh kilometer per second. It is the greatest speed throughout the world, throughout the universe. So this is vacuum area. When vacuum area is like this is the vacuum. Vacuum means, what do you mean vacuum means? Suppose you are away from 10 meters or just you away from the 2 meters. Between you and me, the vacuum is present, or air is removed out and vacuum is placed. Then can you listen my voice? Just imagine. Can you listen my voice? You can see me. I'm just 2 meters away from you. But you, whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm teaching, or whatever I'm calling to you, no, there is no any voice can travel through the vacuum. Same way, another things here, if voice is doesn't travel through, or sound wave doesn't travel through the vacuum, then what is the reason the light even travel through the vacuum? What is the reason? Let's know about the reason. Okay, suppose that this is the vacuum. There is no any, what is the vacuum means, that is absence of air, absence of dust, absence of anything, any light particle, absence, even though they are particle, there is no presence. So suppose that here is vacuum and the sunlight speed 8 meter per second. So the 8 meter per second speed, huge speed. When the sunlight travel through this one, the just move this one. Here is vacuum, but this portion, this is this is the propagation of photon. Like this, magnifying this one, this is the propagation of photon. This one is the magnifying this one, magnifying this area. This is the when the light traveling through the vacuum, then it's a propagation of photon. This is the propagation of photon and get propagated through it. High speed, due to the high speed, there is a lot of free speed, greater speed of the universe. So when the light traveling through the vacuum area, there the propagation of it's just high speed. Due to high speed, there is the propagation itself find the path due to the speed of high speed. And this is the propagation of photon. And just when there is vacuum, but this is the path of light. And in this path there is the propagation of light, where this is the high speed. Suppose there is a space, there is an astronaut. Okay? There is a astronaut, but even though when the light passing through nearby, the astronaut cannot see. Why? Because the high speed, due to the high speed, the astronaut can't able to see the speed. Suppose that I'm saying one thing, and either practically one thing. Suppose this is the window. Window means that is my window is 3 by 4, 3 by 3. Okay, 3 by 3. My window is, that is look at the window is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. My window is 3 by 3. Okay. That is just 3 and 4. 4. Can say that it is 3 by 4. 3 feet. 3 feet by 3.5 feet. This is my window. I'm looking outside my room. Suppose that a bullet is fire. Bullet is fire from left to right. Can I able to see? Bullet of the gun. Just outside man is present there and bullet is fire just left to right. I'm looking this one. I concentrately looking outside. When the bullet is fire, I heard the sound, but we are not able to see the bullet, speed of bullet. Cannot see. The bullet is so very less than the speed of bullet. Speed of bullet just very less than very less than speed of light per second. Then how can astronaut can see the light, speed of light? No. If the astronaut is present at the vacuum in the space, astronaut cannot see white light of sun due to the speed of light. Hence, the absence of dust particle, absence of gaseous molecule. That's why there is no any scatter of the sunlight. There is no scatter in the sunlight. And hence, as a result of this, the space looks like a black, dark black due to this reason. Because there is no any scatter of sunlight. So here 3 by 3. Okay, that is enough. Now we go ahead. One thing is that this is the morning seasons. Every doctor says that if you want to strong your bone, then go outside in the morning. Okay, just body expose into the sunlight. When our body exposed into sunlight without clothing, just sunbathing. When you sunbathing during the morning seasons, due to the morning seasons, there is the vitamin D is present. But what is the reason? Vitamin D is only found in the morning season. Why do not find after morning season vitamin D? Let's go. There is sun. Sun spread the radiation energy till 311.04 trillion years and start giving, and it will have been giving vitamin D, VITA D. During the morning, in the morning seasons, just I may say that after 7 to 9, so between 7 to 9, between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Not more than night, but just 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. In this time, vitamin D is present in the radiation of the light, radiation of the sun. When we are living in the earth or with a creature, every creature should be there is a requirement of sun. Without sunlight, we cannot make food or anything. Particularly, it is for plant. Plant makes food with the help of sunlight, water, and minerals. So during the morning, 7 to 9, just exact, you can say that this is the 7 to 8. In this case, light travel. This is the earth, okay, and we create the atmosphere. We create the atmosphere. This is the area. This is the atmospheric area. Suppose that this is the atmosphere. During this time, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. During this time, the dust particle is there. Oxygen, cold. Oxygen is also here. Oxygen is here. And nitrogen also here. Carbon dioxide also here. Or this is the dust particle here. Dust particle. This is called dust. Particle. In the morning season, dust particle is just closer and oxygen is thicker. That's why we feel when we start jogging or start running, that time we feel the cold, something little bit cold than the other time of jogging. During morning season, we get the thicker or colder oxygen, and the dust particle is thicker. When the dust particle is thicker, then the scattering of the light is greater. When the light travel after traveling the vacuum area, then enter the atmospheric area, and that time the light, this is the, suppose this one is the electromagnetic wave. This is the radiation part. Radiation parts. This is the radiation part. This is not, no. This is. Suppose this one is this is the light. See, that is light, visual, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and this is called infrared. And this is long radio wave, microwave, and this is radio wave. radio wave, microwave, infrared. This is called visual. This is called visual light. This is called visual. This is the UV, ultraviolet. This is X-ray. This is gamma ray. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the radiation of the sunlight. Radiation of the sunlight like this. When all the enter in the air, but when the traveling through this air, but the ozone layer, there will be the ozone layer which there, that is the earth, and above earth area is here. This is a belt of 2 kilometer, 1.5 to 2 kilometer range. There is the ozone layer. When the light is traveling, radiation energy passes through the ozone layer. The filter filters gamma ray, X-ray and UV ray. They are the filter. And this is the ionization. This is the ionization energy. Ionization energy. This ionization is filtered. After filter, we get the energy. This visual, infrared, microwave and radio wave. So students, today that's it. Next class will be teach. Next class I will teach deeply why we get the vitamin D in the morning season, and after filter gamma, X and B. This is the ionization energy, and ionization energy is filtered by ozone layer. And next radiometric radiation is visual ray, and this is infrared, this is microwave, and this is radio wave. This 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 thing is enter the. These 4 things. This is 4 things. This 4 thing is enter. This 4 thing. This is enter the atmosphere of. This is enter the atmosphere of. This is enter the atmosphere of. This is enter the atmosphere of our Earth. This is this ionization. This except these 3 things, 1, 2, 3, and all these 4 things enter the atmosphere of Earth. So that's it, and keep watching my video continuously. Thank you.